All right, let's go. Okay. Okay. Hello, my name is PREKASH. Today I'm going to explain about our object-oriented programs project, which is smartphone inventory management system. So in this system, there will be some of the modules where some of the modules are login interface, homepage, brands, and products. So the rest of the modules will be explained by my fellow friends. So at here, I'm going to explain regarding the login interface, which is the first interface for this project. So this is the coding for the login interface, and then once we run the interface, there will be a there will be a graphical user interface which will be prompted to the user. So the username, the user have to input the username and password in order to log into the system. So the credentials for the login, we can view that in the XAMPP database, which is under users. So the username will be admin, and then the password will be admin123. So if I key in those credentials, then I'll be able to perform a login. So upon clicking on login, there will be a login successful message. And then after clicking OK, I'll be redirected to the home page, which is having the function or the button called as products and button brands. So this both buttons will perform their respective tasks according to the codes that have been designated. Moreover, in the login interface, we also have implemented the extend functions, and then also we have used override function, which is called the polymorphism, in order to which is the requirements basically given to us to complete the system. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So today I will be explaining about the brands part of the system. Let's just go ahead to login so that we can see the flow of the actual application. So here we are going to log in using the information that we already have. And since my part involves brands, let's just go to the brands one. So here we can just add any of the brand that we feel like adding, which let's just say Darwin, and we put it in active. So here, once we click add, it automatically like adds the data into the database, and the update option is here based on the name itself. And let's just say hello. We can see here that hello currently is in active, like the status is currently active, so we can try to make it into not available instead. And since it's said successfully updated, we can see that the data in the database is already updated. So the classes that involves are brands and brands interface, and the methods that involves are there's a method for adding brands and updating brands list. That's it for me. Thank you.
Okay, I'm FATIN NASUHA, so I'm going to present the product interface. So just to show, we're going to log in again. So the login is successful. So okay, from here we can see the product and the brand. So I'm going to explain about the product. So when we add the product, for example, we're going to add of a smartphone, right? So for example, we're going to add Oppo A98 5G, and then we're going to set the description to smartphone. And then since the brand is Oppo, so we're going to choose Oppo also from here. So the cost, let's say we're going to set it to 12999, okay, and then we're going to set the retail price to 1499, and then the quantity we're going to set to 1. and also the barcode. And then for the status here, we can choose there is like available and not available. So I'm going to just choose available. And then we're going to add the product. So here it shows that the product added successfully. Where the fuck is the database? Okay, so this is the database. For example, in the products here, yeah, we can already see that it already been updated here. So the explanation for the coding here, there are two classes that we use, like the product.java and product interface.java. So on the product Java here, we implemented the inheritance from the brand. So as we can see here, our public class product extend brand. So we only take the string brand name from the brand class. So from here, we're going to take the brand name here and then put it here in the constructor. This is because for the table here, as you can see in the product, we're going to use the brand ID instead of the brand name. But if you pay attention, if you actually realize here, we do not ask for the brand ID, so we just ask for the brand name. So from here, we're going to extract the data from the brand table to find the brand ID that matches the name, and then assign it to a variable, and then inserted it into the table, as you can see right here. So yeah, that is all from me. Thank you.